Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm just gonna show y'all how I do this hairstyle where it's like a bun and then like a little curl or a little bang piece coming out the side. So if you want to see how I do this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. And before so my hair looks so crazy right now. So crazy. Before I go into the rest of the video, make sure that you follow me on my social medias. They'll be down in the description box below. And yeah, if you have anything that you want to see or whatever, you can comment it down below and I'll make sure to check those out. And yeah, I think that's it. So let's just get into this hair. This is what my hair looks like 3 days bedhead, slept on, crazy, kind of crazy. She's kind of a vibe like that. You see that? She's kind of a vibe. A vibe. Hold on. I kind of like her like that. But we're not going to do that. But yeah, if you've seen some of my videos before, you would know that my hair was longer. I cut it. It was just a decision that I just decided to make, and now we're here. So that's how long my hair is. But yeah, this is what we're working with. So let's just see what we can come up with. So like for this little bang piece, I'm thinking not too much hair, but like, you know, something like this. Or is that too much? That's too much? I don't know. Okay. I don't know. But we're definitely gonna wet the perimeter with some water. I'm just gonna take this right here, put some on Miss Mama's.
Just so the curls like that dry. I don't really want to comb it through.
So I'm gonna do like a light comb, whatever that means. Make sure that it's high enough. Oops. Okay. That's what we're working with so far. Now, I'm going to take some gel. It's right here. And I'm going to do my edges with a little edge brush like this. It's happening here. Get a little bit. like that. Did you see that? Swoop and a swoop and a swoop. And the next one, swoop like that. Like that. Ooh, where you going? Swoop like that. Yeah. Edges slayed. Edges laid, edges slayed. Now we're gonna take this and just start wrapping, doing anything crazy. Taking a bun, ponytail, secure. Now take this one, this extra joint, and just gonna put a little bit of gel all around the perimeter of my hair. Just like so, like that. And then I'm just gonna stick this on just like that. Play with it a little bit till you got something. I'm gonna take these little baby hairs in the back. I'm gonna get some gel like that. Put some on these. It's like so, like that. It's gonna curl up or do whatever. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so here's the hairstyle. This is what she's looking like. Turn around, just a little bun. A little bun with some edges. And a little frame face piece, bang, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. But yeah, thank y'all so much for staying tuned to the end of the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, but stay tuned for my next video because we lit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.